Do you want to promote your business but no time to blog? Do you have so many great ideas but no time to type? We wanted to make blogging easier, less time consuming and affordable. Studies show most people are better at speaking their thoughts out loud than taking the time to think about, write, edit and post. That's where our unique service 1-800-BLOG-SPEAK comes in. Whether you're stuck in traffic, sitting on a bus, riding the train or walking to work, with 1-800-BLOG-SPEAK it's easy. You talk, we type. First, call 1-800-BLOG-SPEAK. Next, voice your blog post over the phone. We'll transcribe it all and email the finished blog post to you for review. Blog complete. We can also proof and edit, post it to your blog site, share to social media accounts and provide an image to use. Take control of your time and share your ideas. 1-800-BLOG-SPEAK.